stays in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My drink is in my cup. In my cup is in my cup. My cup.
Well, we're gonna have to ask Richard Loop to redo the song and say what's in my bottle stays in my bottle, right? Shamari Blackwood and Craig Edmondson have created the brand One for the Road cocktails featuring locally flavored, veg, fruits I want to like, right? Exactly. In generous portions, right? So these unique creations are designed to elevate your weekend sips beyond the ordinary. Hello, guys. I don't know I'm tuning in, like, I don't know who go sleep and I just say, boy, in the morning, I have an idea. I could just put the light in the buckle, add the things them, put the cap, put it on a shelf and sell it. That was the idea, right?
Pretty much. In a nutshell, yeah. So we really
tell me the backstory.
Okay. So we actually started in COVID time. We were under lockdown, strict keys.
Oh, it's the best time.
Yeah, couldn't move around. However, we still had a lot of friends who, still wanted that little booze.
Yeah.
And then the idea was there because we were already thinking about starting a bar together, but no, the place was shut down. We didn't know what to do.
Nice.
Next best thing, take the bar to the person, to the people.
I love that. Okay, so it says here that the portions are larger than the typical offerings elsewhere, meaning if I go to a bar and I say, I order Amarita sour, you're not going to get so much.
No, definitely not. So you're actually getting twice the portion size.
So this could actually serve two people?
Two persons.
Really?
And in some cases, three, depending on the cocktail that you're having.
Okay.
So like a lychee martini, for the lychee martini here, you get 2 and almost 2.5 full serving from the bottle, versus going at a bar, you'll pretty much get, 1.
Okay, but why a plastic bottle though?
Well, for the style that we're trying to do is like a Fiji bottle, right?
Okay.
We don't want to look like a chubby bottle or stuff like that. We just want
You did
to
not
get
say
that.
chubby bottle.
So we want to get that little premium feel.
Okay, I like that. All right, so the quality now, because of course people going to say, boy, it's plastic bottle. I don't think it tastes like how it would taste if it's coming out of the glass bottle inside the cup and over the ice. And does it compromise it any?
No.
No?
It doesn't, but also remember the name of it is One for the Road, a cocktail on the go.
Okay.
So the idea behind it being in the plastic bottle is for you to be able to take it anywhere and not be worrying about, safety hazard.
Okay.
So I love soca.
Yeah.
True.
Your soca party, any cooler fest. So that's what we're catering to. So we're technically giving you bottled entertainment.
Okay. Well, my floor manager says you have to start making some drinks for us, but I'm thinking to myself, all you're doing is putting ice in a cup and pouring drink over it.
So quick and easy at home. You buy a case, buy a bottle, you just add the ice.
Right.
Depending on how much you want.
Okay.
So say for the favorite for the females, which is the Amarita sour.
Right.
Shake.
Okay.
And just shake, twist, pour.
And that's it.
And that's it.
Can I have a whiff of it when you're done?
Sure.
I just want to have a little smell of it.
Sure.
No, from the bottle,
From the
without
bottle?
the ice. Yeah, I just want to smell it because I want to know, sometimes you put things in plastic bottles and these are not, cold. Are they usually inside the freezer? If I go somewhere to buy them, they're going to be inside the freezer or the fridge?
Yes.
Okay.
So you normally you can actually store them on fridge, yes or no. So your choice. You get a longer lifetime, however, if you do keep it on the fridge versus if you keep it room warm.
Okay, so cocktails, they are, that means they have a little something in them. What percentage?
It varies.
Varies different. So we have from 14% all the way to, I believe, 15%.
15%?
Yes.
Okay, so after you're not telling people to, let me say this. You're making sure you're telling people to have a friend if they go out at.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Because you can't
So it's
drink
not
this
for the
and then
designated
feel
driver.
like...
So for the designated driver, we came up with a mocktail
The mocktail,
line. So we're going to
exactly.
be launching that pretty much next month.
Okay.
We're going to be having 3 flavors.
Because none of these are mocktails.
That's correct.
No.
These
Okay,
are
gotcha.
all alcoholic-based beverages. So for the mocktail, that's now for the family. So we also wanted to, give you something that you could lime with everybody in the house.
And in the mocktail, what flavors are we looking at here?
So for the mocktail, we are coming out with an iced tea line.
Okay. Iced tea like...
Yeah.
Iced tea. So we have a berry boost iced tea, and we also have a lemongrass iced tea, and we got some new flavors that we're currently playing with, and then we're going to be launching those as soon as we decide on.
Okay, all right. We have a little bit more time. I want to see you pour out this one, or the lychee, because you actually have the lychees in the bottle.
Yes.
The lychee martinis.
There you go.
And all of them will have a little bit of lychee inside of it, you think?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, I love that. Okay, all right.
And they're definitely edible.
And they are edible, right? Okay. Shelf life?
Shelf life, right, so for anything with orange juice and pineapple juice, it's normally 6 months. Anything other from that is a year. So 1 year.
So a year, I can have a bottle of this
In the
for a
fridge.
year, in the fridge for a year.
There you go.
That is interesting. Yeah, man, let him drop out. No, man, this
You
is
see?
really good stuff. Okay.
And you still have more.
I still have more.
Yeah.
Do you recommend me mixing anything else with it? You know, because I'm going to have this time. I said, boy, I want to make it add something else in there for just add a little layer of spice, you know?
always play with it. There's
Okay,
no
cool.
rule to life. Just live. So I have a friend who had the amaretto and she created a fruit punch with the amaretto added in there.
Really?
So she used the natural fruits and then she added the amaretto. So
Okay, well, my producer is asking what's your target audience, and I know, of course, it's over 18. That's what we say, or yeah. So you have to tell me, you know, in terms of the audience, for the persons who are going to the parties, for the persons who are partying at home as well. Who else?
Well,
I covered it.
yeah. So if you're a person who you don't like to go to the bar,
Yeah.
right, and you still want a good drink, I always can purchase it.
Because you know, if I go party, they're not going to let me do my own drink. I have to go
it depends on
put
the
in my
party.
handbag.
it depends on the
true,
party.
true.
So remember, we're moving into a place where we're doing a lot of igloo parties.
Yeah,
So we
cooler
also
stuff,
do
yeah.
cater to the cooler fest,
Okay.
etc. We're actually working on getting away into the cinema because we realize they don't have a lot of alcohol beverages in there, and it's mainly because they don't allow glass.
Listen, that
So
would make a movie even better, I can tell you.
I'm saying,
Just saying.
I won't punch with your movie.
Plus, to add on to that too, for the cooler fest, we also have 1 liter, 2 liter, and gallon.
Oh,
So,
of this
yeah,
product.
so if you don't want
Okay.
to have so much of this in the igloo, you can just have one big bottle.
Really? Okay, all right, nice. All right, tell us where we can find you.
So we are on Instagram.
So the Instagram angle is one for the word cocktail.
Yeah.
So 1_Faye_cocktail.
Or you can just type in one for the road. and
No,
you
you know,
should
I
come
can't
up.
bother with them underscore something here, honestly.
You can also reach out to us at WhatsApp at 876-771-6307. As it relates to going somewhere and picking up the product, right now you can get us at AC, at the AC Market. That's by AC Hotel.
Okay, nice.
So you can just go there, pick up your cocktail, and as we said, one for the road and
Okay.
take it to the road.
I know you have these flavors, but anything else coming up for the rest of the year?
So these
Apart
aren't
from the mocktail
just
flavors.
the flavors that we have actually.
Okay.
So we do have, I want to say a lot more.
Yeah.
So we have Long Beach and Irie Island Iced Tea, which
Okay.
is signature to our brand. We have Standard Passion. We have Cocoa Madness here. and
Just
a
tell
few
them more,
more.
guys.
So we also do tailored cocktails.
Okay.
So let's say you're doing an event.
And you
So
just,
we
just call
bar
it in there, just say,
services.
boy, one for the
we
road.
create something for
Just
you.
do that. Listen,
There you go.
I love it. Congratulations, man. 1_Faye_road. Find him on Instagram. Shamari Blackwood and Craig Edmondson, thank you both for joining me. Congratulations on this effort. They're co-founders of CESB Cocktail Packaging Limited. We'll soon come back. Stay with us. I'm not going to have any of this. Too early.
In my cup,